وەرزش بەگشتی لەشێکی ڕێک و تەندروست دەداتێ.
هەر وەرزشێک شتێکی تایبەت پێدەگەینێت. هەر یەکەشیان وەرزشێکی زۆر جیاوازن، بەڵام ڕەگبی بەڕاستی لە هەمویان جیاوازترە.
It's a game that everybody can get together to play a great game and kind of bond with each other.
PG Kurdistan.
همو یک جسم، یک دست، یک پی، یک شان، یک سر. همو لقايك.
Help him! Help him! Tackle! Tackle! Tackle!
You guys are stronger and fitter than ever before.
جەخت دەکاتەوە لە یاریکردن بەیەکەوە وەکو تیم. توانای تاکە کەس زۆر دەور نابینی لە یاریەکە.
تضرب لك واحد توقع تقوم خليه رجال خشن يصير يعني.
You're wearing Kurdistan on your chest. Everybody will know your Kurdistan rugby.
It never leaves you. It's something that you grow with it.
أول تجربة لي كانت هنا 17/9/2021. هات مبروك بي اللي 2019 قميدة كم حتى أورو.
I started playing rugby back in 2014, and ever since then, it's just been growing on me.
For me, coming here without any knowledge of what to expect in this region, I came in here and I made new friends and I just felt welcome from the first session.
ئەو کاتێک کە ڕگبیم ناسی هەستم کرد جەستەم بۆ ئەوە بنیاندراوە کە لە یاری ڕگبی باش بم.
In Ghana, let's say, we do play rugby, but the kind of unity over here, the kind of love that people give you out here, is one of the best.
I heard about the rugby here when it was still very small. I met Hiwa, who's manager of the rugby here, and it started nice and small, and now it's become quite big. I've been involved helping, coaching here and there, and playing a bit.
Nice. That's what I want.
The guys they want to learn, they listen. You can coach people techniques and stuff, but you cannot coach the passion that they have. And this is one thing that I've seen with the people in this team is the passion that they have.
You watch it. Look.
تمارين احنا نتدرب عادة يعني من عندنا يوم الأحد والأربعاء. نتدرب من الساعة 6 المغرب لحد 8. فنتدرب هنا نسوي كروس فيت وفتنس، نسوي الأحد، أربعاء نسوي ركبي تريننج يعني البيسكس مال التريننج.
The training is quite tough and hard, like any other sport as well. That brings a discipline to your life if you can follow a great healthy lifestyle. Your support's behind you. Listen to them. They do it well. They call for it. Even if you think you can break the tackle, remember we're practicing for Dubai. Tackling is good, can be a little bit better.
Don't rush. Just do what you're supposed to do.
خۆی دوو تیم هەیە لێرە لە کوردستان، یەکێکیان ئەکاد یەکێکیان هێریکەینز لەناو خۆمان زیاتر یاری دەکەین.
Obviously, yes, you'll get your injuries with rugby, but rugby overall in the world has adapted a lot due to these injuries, and the main aim for rugby in the world is player safety.
ئێمە لە یاریگایە کە یاریەکەین بەرامبەر یەک شێوازێک یاریەکەین خەڵک وا هەستەکە ئەمە توندیتیژیە بەرامبەری یەکتری بەکارێنن.
بس وقت قبل دكي احترامي لي زور بقوة احترامي تدايا.
Sometimes you get pissed, but you can't do anything because when you overreact, definitely you're going to be penalized and you're going to let your team down.
بەپێی گشتی یاساکان جەختەکاتەوە لە پاراستنی یاریزانەکە بەتایبەت لە کاتی لێدانەکان زۆر گرنگە کە یاریزان بە سەلامەتی بمێنێتەوە.
Once people are educated on the game and the rules, it is honestly a safe sport.
ئێمە ساڵانە کۆمپیتیشنێک هەیە لە دوبای پێی دەوترێت دوبای سێڤنس ئەوە چەند جارێکە کوردستان ڕەگبی بەشدار دەبێت لەو کۆمپیتیشنە.
ئەمڕۆ 28 یانزەیە ئەگەڕێنەوە بۆ دوبای بۆیە پاڵەوانی دوبای 7 لەگەڵ کوردستان ڕەگبی.
Ready.
Here we go.
Every structure that we practiced, all the basics, two hands, how we pass, how we tackle, all the things that we've done this whole year, the hard work that you guys have put in, you guys are stronger and fitter than ever before. Don't try and be better than anyone else. Just be better than yourself yesterday. Doesn't matter what you do. You can lose on the scoreboard, but you cannot lose here. And you cannot lose the match. You can still win. Remember the hard work that people like Hiwa and other people have done in the background to get sponsors, to get us the opportunity to come here.
After a long journey of training and hard work, finally we can't believe that you're gonna play soon.
DG Kurdistan! Come on!
Started it about 8 years ago. Social rugby. We used to play in Sami Abdurrahman Park. I'm in Canada now, but I always keep an eye out for the Kurdish team when they're here. It's the first result I look out for, and it's always great to see them come down, and very pleased to see them here. So.
It's harder for me to go here because you're on your feet. You go here, but by the time, even if you get the ball, I'll try to get here, okay?
We need to play like we practiced in Erbil and in the Dome. This is our last training session of the whole year. We had to have it today. You need to follow closely, all right? That's why we give you 7 minutes each, full pace. From that breakdown to the next breakdown. Remember, don't watch the game, play the game. 7 minutes of passionate, hard, good, clever rugby. Give me 7 minutes of everything you have.
لەوێ ئەو فەریقانی بەڕاستی زۆر بەقۆت بوون و زۆر زل و زەبەلاح بوون. ئێمە لە تکاوانمان بینی ترساین. بەڵام کە دەستمان بە یاریکردن کرد و چوینە ناو یاریگاکەوە ئەو ترسە هەمووی لە گیانمان دەرچوو.
We don't need to put our heads down at all from losing a side like that are going to go on and compete the cup. This game, we are toughened up now.
Next time, just smash them. You've got nothing to lose.
And there it is. Let's see him, DHL. Come on, let's see him. And there it is.
After our first game, everybody started getting together. We started finding out what we need to do better, and we started excelling.
Kurdistan! There we go.
Boys, this is the most important 7 minutes of the season for those that are starting this game, okay? This is the game that we fucking have to steal.
Good guys.
Come John! On the way! John, on the way! On the way! On the way!
The expectations were high. we wanted to improve on what they did the previous year. So going into it and seeing how everybody started working together and building as a team was one of the biggest things, and honestly, it surprised me.
This next game's huge. We've been psyched for this as soon as we've seen the draw, okay? It'll mean so much of us. And Ireland!
We'll be playing against the Cats from Dubai, and they are probably the best team in our whole social league. I think this would be the best opportunity for the team to give everybody a good opportunity to go out and just focus on our next matches.
Well nervous, okay? I'm not going to hide that I was really nervous, okay? Just thinking about going to be against Cats and what the experience we had last year against them. But the first half, you boys, just unbelievable. Yeah. There is no way to describe it, okay?
Last year, we ended our game against the Cats. Like, we were pumped, yeah, but they didn't respect us. You know, they wanted a photo with us at the end there. We've earned the respect.
صار بي 2021 لتشارع مجموعة قبل ما نكر دوران أو جرس مجموعي سيم زور بقوتن ليه جماعة زور بقوتن صعبتنا كان ليه ددن يعني من أول يرى خوار ولا جماعة So excited.
It was the best tournament that we've had so far, that the team has had. They played very, very well compared to previous years. It was obvious that there's a great improvement in the team.
پێویستەکە لە ساڵانی داهاتوو جەختکەینەوە سەر تواناکانی جستەیمان توانای یاریەکەشمان جگەلەوەی بە دڵێک و بە ڕۆحێکی گەورەوە بۆ کوردستان یاریکەین.
نتیجەکە زۆر باش نەبوو، بەڵام زۆری لێ فێر بووین.
هذا يعتبر بحث تقدم مو شرط الفوز. غلط ما نهبو زور غلط ما نهبو لها مو فريق غلط دبي چونك لو قما حف دقيقة حف لاعب يك غلط دكي زور مشكلة چونك حف دقيقة قما زور سريعة.
Today we were playing against some of the best teams in our league, the social teams. Some of these guys that haven't touched the ball 3 years ago, today smashed massive guys. It's true to the Kurdish Middle Eastern culture. They were defending like maniacs. What they did today with all these injuries was my proudest moment in Kurdistan that I can remember ever. Great job today. Seriously, I'm really proud of you guys, and seriously, I cannot see anybody doing it better. All right. You're wearing Kurdistan. Everybody will know your Kurdistan rugby. Kurdistan! The biggest concern here would be that this group would move on and there would be a gap left behind.
جماعات دبي بين جماهير رugby بكم بأخوات چونك أنقول جنجين أجر استناكن دي كنجي.
پێیان بۆ کەسانێک کە وەرزش ڕەگبی ناناسن و یاریان نەکردووە ڕەگبی ئەوە نییە کە ئێوە بیری لێ دەکەنەوە یەکێکە لە خۆشترین وەرزشەکان کە یەکێ بتوانێت لەگەڵیا تێکەڵ بێت.
بە ڕێگەی ڕگبی ئەتوانین وشەی کورد و کوردستان بناسێنین کە ملەتێکی ئاشتی خوازین.
this team is really going to get stronger and better as we go. And for me, it's just a privilege to be part of it.